what's good, baby? We got the 2007 Aprilia Tuono here. I'm selling it, and I would love for one of you guys to buy it. I'm willing to sell it to one of you guys watching for $3,000. It's a rebuild bike, but the bike works great. I have zero complaints. The bike controls well, starts up just fine, and brakes work great. Power is awesome, sounds amazing, and the bike also reads kilometers an hour, just like the Gixxer. I don't know why I keep buying these 4-inch speedometers, and they're not really help with knowing how fast I'm going. The rear view mirrors are fantastic on this. It's got a dope color scheme. It's got a rear Olin shock. It's got a dope horn. It's dope. Besides that, yeah, it's one of the Hustle Series bikes. I'm probably gonna list it for like $4,500. Definitely not a beginner bike. It's a V-twin 1000. I think it's even got a power commander on it. I'm not sure, but anyway, today I'm riding by myself. Basically, I tried to get a few people out riding with me, but that's not happening. I think everyone bailed on my ass, which is understandable. So today I'm gonna try to maybe meet a friend, maybe try to actually sell the Tuono to some random person. Are these things possible? I don't know. We'll see here in the next 15 seconds if Maxy has a riding buddy or not today. Oh, there's a bicyclist up there. Let's go. Woo! Let's see what's up with this homeboy. My man, that's a cool Grom. That's custom Grom. Dude's locked and loaded, ready to go. Wonder if he's going to cycle gear. He is. Nice. Huh. Alright, bye, dude. Let's see who's here. Is homeboy here? I don't see homeboy. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing, honestly. I'm literally just farting around. Uh-oh, big ass service light on. That ain't good. Hopefully I'm not dropping voltage. If I do, I gotta bounce. Man, that Grommy man just bailed on me, dude. He didn't want to say hi, nothing. I mean, I don't blame him. I look threatening. I just don't like the big service light on. I don't know what it is, what it all means. I should have harassed that Grommy man. It's probably my only chance of making a bike friend today. I mean, dude, the way this thing controls is awesome. And the sound. But yeah, if you guys are at all interested in buying this for $3,000, contact me. I'm in Central California. If you want to pay for the shipping, you can do that, but I'm not gonna pay for the shipping. Besides the service light and the fact that it doesn't tell the time, this bike's on par. I mean, the speedo needle is definitely f***ed. We'll try to max it out and see if that works. It just doesn't seem to wanna. Wavy on the front, but it's good. Ooh, is that a bike? Ooh, no, no. You're still alone, Maxy. You're still alone in this cruel, cold, cruel world. You want to buy it? Damn, Harleys suck. Dude, I nearly had him. Ooh, I see a biker up ahead. Maybe he'll buy it. He looks like he could use an upgrade. How's it going?
Hello.
How much? You want to buy a new bike?
I don't like street bikes.
It's not a street bike. It's a naked.
I only ride Harley.
It's a V-twin. It's basically a Harley.
Yeah.
But it's better. No? Harley or nothing? Good luck. Dude, that thing sounds like ass. I only ride Harleys. Dude, the Harley community needs to get over there. So I've converted quite a few Harley riders into naked riders. Not like they're riding their Harley naked. They're just riding naked bikes. Like this. Ford adventure bike. I converted 2 to Africa Twinners, and then I converted 1 to an MT Tenor. Go a little slower, truck. Yes, go slower. Yes. Oh my god, we got a biker incoming. Oh yeah, time to harass the dude. Whoa, don't crash now, bruh. Hey, you can't go anywhere now. What up? What are you up to?
About to eat and then go to work.
Nice. Is this a 600?
Nah, 750.
You like it?
Love it.
Yeah?
What is that?
It's a Aprilia.
Aprilia? Oh shit.
Yeah, you want to buy it?
No.
3 grand.
Huh?
3 grand.
I'm chilling. I'm already broke off this one. I just bought it this year.
How much did you get it for?
4,500.
Oh.
Yeah, I got lucky.
I got this one for 1,200 bucks.
1,200?
Mm-hmm. It's a 1,000.
I bought this one off of some older lady. She was the first owner.
A lady?
Yeah.
Old lady? How old?
40s. She all gray haired out.
Oh shit.
Yeah, no, that's why I was like, what the f? I'm all like, this is your first bike? She's like, yeah, that's the first bike I got on. I'm like, you're the first owner? She's like, yeah. I got a good deal, 4,500, 2012. It only had like 13 or 14,000 miles.
Right on.
Yeah. Her brother, I guess, dropped it, but nothing too crazy. Like,
yeah, little scratches here and there, whatever. So whatever you do, don't drop it on the right side.
don't drop on the right side?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah, your secondary and primary throttle position sensors in there, they will act up fast.
Yeah.
They're like resistors. They tell when you're open, close your secondary butterflies. I have a Gixxer too.
Weird.
It's a 1000, 2002. I was ripping it all like last 3 days.
Yeah.
And then I just put it away.
I'm gonna eat. I gotta get to work.
Hey, nice to meet you, bro.
Likewise.
Get an airbag vest, dude.
An airbag vest? How much are those?
Like $950
$950?
for this one, like a really nice one. But yeah, they'll save your life. So it's definitely good to have. All right, later, bro. I could say I'm 1 for 2 on friends now. Damn, I thought I was gonna have a homie to ride with for a second. Joke's on Shmee. Well, good game, boys. I think we had a pretty good vlog. Hopefully you guys got an idea for the bike. Needs a little TLC, a little love, a little care. Not really though. Runs great. Starts right up. Fresh battery. Comes with extra rims and an extra gas tank. So I'm very curious how the second gear clutch ups go. So we're gonna try that. It comes right up in second. Shit, it might do third. It would. For sure.